cannot believe what just got here. Bro, we are lit. Holy shit. This shit literally just got delivered today, bro. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? I don't even want to fucking move. I don't want to move it, bro. I don't even want to move. Like, I know y'all know what that is. You got the tips.
Max, Marley, come here.
You give me back, a box of shoes and shit.
I'm done.
So I was getting some shoes.
Ooh.
I'm definitely ordering for you guys. AWE tuning exhaust setup. This is what the tips look like. AWE tuning. Accidentally left Kitty on the highway. Finally. Better late than never.
See you. Let me know. Cool.
The box is kind of heavy, so I don't know, should we like park close to them? For real? Y'all having nice cars around like this.
NSX with kids popping in there.
Are y'all on YouTube?
And we got a
Bro, I've never seen it in Ohio.
all-wheel drive Integra.
Holy shit. Oh yeah, I'm about to be over here then with y'all. Carbon fiber trunk.
Carbon fiber hood, real hood.
Roll cage.
It's not.
Harnesses. Oh my god, carbon fiber. Quick release steering wheel. Is it a sequential? Sequential?
No.
What is it?
This
It's
is
regular?
the H pattern. This is the first all-wheel drive in Columbus, Ohio. Well, Ohio in general. Let's see what she sounds like.
See? Co-start? Oh shit. My bad. Alright, ready? Sound different, for sure. Got the quad tips. Yes, sir. Got a little rumble to it. Yeah.
You want to be loud, you need a downpipe.
Yeah, I heard. I saw that too. And a tune, right?
How much is the downpipe? Shouldn't be much, right?
400. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Trust the process, dude. Trust the process. You can't even see it from right here. Hell no.
It'll look a lot better.
Alright, that's what I'm saying.
You should let me cut it. Let me cut it. That's some different shit.
You want to cut it?
Yeah. Should we try it? Let's try it. You have anything sharp?
Yeah, let me cut it, man.
Alright.
I'll cut it for you. Might be weird, but
Yeah, that's better
They
than
look way
nothing.
better.
Yeah, hell yeah. You might not even notice that shit. Can you?
Exhaust kit, check. Now my car is officially modded. Yeah, seriously. Sheesh. You sounding crazy. One more? downpipe coated intake will sound way better, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Quarter intake.
How much horsepower do you think it'll be pushing after that?
Where's it at now?
Like 220?
Is it two?
No.
I mean, after the downpipe?
Yeah.
Honestly, you need to tune first before you can make some power.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, downpipe, bro.
Heard. Thanks, bro.
Alright, I'll see you, dude.
All right. Have a good one.